Vivo has added a new stylish mid-range smartphone to its lineup, the V30E. This device boasts an appealing design, a sleek form factor, a vibrant screen, and impressive battery life. Let's delve into its features. The V30E is a feature-packed device that promises an excellent user experience. The V30E showcases an eye-catching design that feels premium and elegant in hand. It comes in 3 colors: classy brown, sunny green, and dreamy white. These colors look aesthetically pleasing with the dual-tone finish design. The handset features a combination of a matte and a shiny surface on the back. The shiny surface, a small portion on the right, sports a pattern, while the rest is matte, helping keep fingerprints and smudges at bay. Furthermore, the V30E showcases a circular camera module accentuated by a ring that protrudes slightly from the chassis, adding to its overall appeal. The 6.78-inch HD Plus AMOLED display features a curved screen design with FHD Plus 1080 by 2400 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate at 1300 nits. The display is sufficiently bright for both indoor and outdoor visibility. The color calibration is impressive, offering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. It's perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows. The device also includes an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is relatively quick at unlocking the device. There is also a punch hole cutout for the 50-megapixel camera setup. Under the hood, the V30E is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC, which is quite common in the mid-range segment. This chipset handles multitasking and gaming effortlessly. This SoC is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of user-expandable storage. As for the software, the V30E runs the latest FunTouch OS 14 layered atop Android 14 out of the box. The handset is future-proof until 2027 with 3 major software updates and an additional year of security updates. Coming to the camera segment, the rear camera features a 50-megapixel f1.8 aperture primary sensor and an 8-megapixel f2.2 aperture 120-degree ultra-wide lens. The Aura ring light, a trademark of the V series smartphones, assists with low-light photography, especially portraits. It captures detailed photos, whether it's landscapes or close-ups. The V30E is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery that keeps you going all day. Plus, it supports 44 watts fast charging that can fully recharge the device from 20% within an hour. The price of this device is around 330 to 350 euros, depending on the online website or authorized retailer. What are your thoughts on this device? Would you buy it? It's a good-looking design with impressive cameras, but with an older chipset at this price, it's reasonable. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or specific features you'd like to see in action, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video, Tech Aficionados.